Welcome to LJ's Kitchen. Today we'll be making Mars bar slice. This is a homemade recipe. So these are the ingredients: 195 grams of Mars bars and chopped, 90 grams of butter, 3 cups of rice bubbles or Cocoa Pops, which I'm using. For the topping, 200 grams of milk chocolate chopped and in little pieces, and another 30 grams of butter. So step 1, you need to combine the Mars bars and butter over low heat in a large saucepan, stirring constantly until the mixture is smooth. I'll go put the Mars bar and my butter in it now. Now I've got my mixture to the right consistency. I'm going to put in my 3 cups of rice bubbles or Cocoa Pops. Make sure when you're doing this that you stir it until it's all combined. Now it's the right consistency and it's all well combined. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spoon my mixture into my prepared pan. Make sure you grease this and line it with baking paper. Then I'm going to press it into the pan. Now what I'm going to do is, now that I've got all my mixture, I'm going to press it into the pan. Since it's a little still warm, I'm going to use the back of my wooden spoon that I was mixing it with. So this is what it should look like at the moment. We're about to go make the filling or the topping for it. So we're going to go put this in the fridge and wait, and then go make the topping, and then just take it out, put topping on. I'll just show you that. So what we're going to do now for the topping is we're going to melt the chocolate in a microwave, in a bowl, on high heat, on high, for about 30-second increments until it's fully melted. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my chocolate in there. Put my butter, 30 grams this is. Put my cling wrap over it. I'm going to put this in the microwave and come back to you when it's finished. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've put my thing in my microwave on high for 30-second increments. It took up to about a minute. And I just gave a quick stir just to make sure everything was combined. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it on our mix. Try to make it go down the middle of it because it's a thin mix and it's not a lot. So you're just going to want to spread it like that. Try to work with it quickly, so otherwise it'll go hard. You can't do anything with it. So this is what it should look like. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in the fridge for several hours until it's set. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next week.